Hi all, Nisi Harmon here of What's She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to attach a button using the sewing machine. So today I have a basic 4-hole button here with my fabric that I will sew it on and some scissors and my sewing machine. So let's get started. You just want to make sure that a few things are on point. Number one, you want to make sure that your zigzag stitch between 3 and 4, we'll check it out, we may have to change that, and that your stitch length is at 0. We have our marking here. This is where we want our buttonhole, so we'll put that in the center of the marking, and then we will take the buttonhole and we're going to move it close to the hole in the presser foot, clamp down like that. I should be able to see both of the buttonholes. I'm going to slowly turn my hand wheel and insert the needle into one hole of the button, and then I'm going to make it go on the left side, and then 4, 5, 6. So I usually do about 6 stitches. And then I try to end where I started. So I started on the right and I'll end on the right. I lift up my presser foot, bring it out, and there you go. I did two of the buttonholes. All right, so I'm gonna do the bottom 2. One of the reasons that I sew buttons instead of hand stitch them is because I don't like to hand stitch at all, and this is super easy, so why not do it? So this time I will start on the right. Once again, make sure that my needle goes right into the buttonhole. Press my foot pedal. 2, 3, 4, 5, and I end on the right at 6. Use my hand wheel, cranking that thing, pull it out. And there we go. So all I have to do is cut my stitching. So I'll cut my stitching on the front and the back of the button. And there you go. Did you like this tutorial? If so, like our video now, as well as subscribe to our page and give us video ideas so that we can feature your next lesson. Thank you for watching and happy sewing.